How to use the new Generative Extend tool in Premiere Pro. This is really simple to do, so let's dive right into the video. First, you need to download the new beta version of Premiere Pro. You can do this in the Creative Cloud desktop program. Go to the apps section, then select the beta tab and download the beta version of Premiere Pro. Once you've installed it, open the program. Next, import the clip you want to work with. If you don't have footage, check the link in the description. Now, select the Generative Extend tool. To extend your footage, simply go to the end of the clip and drag it. Keep in mind that this tool currently supports up to 1080p footage only, so high resolutions aren't supported yet. You can adjust the length as needed. The results are already pretty good, especially for a beta version. I'm excited to see how this feature will improve in future updates. Be aware though that the generation process can take some time. It's definitely a great tool to use for your edits if you are missing some footage or need to extend a shot. And here we go. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.